Hello everyone and welcome to Bridge is for Everyone. My name's Jad. This is episode 31 of the Learn to Play series. In this episode, you'll learn about the negative double. In the previous 3 episodes, you learned when to make a bid of double when your opponent has opened the bidding. These were the penalty double, the takeout double, and the strong double. But under some circumstances, you can also use the call of double when partner has opened the bidding. The name of this double is the negative double. This name is purely historical and doesn't mean anything to modern players. Let's look at an example. This is deal 251. North is the dealer. Here is your hand. As always, you value your hand. You have 8 high card points and 0 long points for a total of 8 points. And with only 1 doubleton, your hand is balanced. You have 2 biddable suits, hearts and diamonds. Partner opens the bidding with 1 diamond, and East overcalls 1 spade. As you saw in episode 6, your hand meets the requirements for a bid of 1 heart, but you can't make this bid because East's bid of 1 spade is already higher than 1 heart. So what can you bid? Here is the rule. When partner's opening bid of 1 of a minor is overcalled by 1 spade, you can't bid 1 heart. But the overcall makes it possible for you to call double. With 6 to 9 points and biddable hearts, call double. And with 10 or more points and only 4 hearts, also call double. With 10 or more points and 5 or more hearts, bid 2 hearts. The call of double is artificial and tells partner that you have a heart suit. The call of double is also forcing, so partner will ensure that you get the opportunity to make another bid. With this hand, your 8 points and 4 hearts meet the negative double requirements, so you call double. West passes. Partner now responds as if you had bid 1 heart. Partner bids 2 hearts, and East passes. It's your turn to bid. You interpret partner's bid as a response to 1 heart. As you have seen in previous episodes, partner's bid shows 13 to 15 points and a fit in hearts. Your 8 points are not enough for game, so you pass, and West passes to end the auction. The contract is 2 hearts by North. East attempted to interfere in your bidding with a spade overcall, but your use of the negative double defeated this attempt. In fact, it worked to your advantage, as North, with the stronger hand, will play the hand and your weaker hand will be dummy. During the play, North can also take advantage of East's bid to locate the opponent's spade strength. The call of double after an overcall of 1 spade is the most important use of the negative double, but there are other situations where it can be used to advantage. Let's try another deal. This is deal 252. North is the dealer. Here is your hand. As always, you value your hand. You have 8 high card points and 0 long points for a total of 8 points. With only 1 doubleton, your hand is balanced, and you have 2 biddable suits, spades and clubs. North opens the bidding with 1 club, and East overcalls with a bid of 1 heart. It's your turn to bid. Your hand meets the requirements for a bid of 1 spade, but your opponent's overcall has made a call of double possible. You can take advantage of this by applying the following rule. After partner's opening minor is overcalled by 1 heart, call double to show exactly 4 spades, and bid 1 spade with 5 or more spades. Both these calls are forcing, so you will always have the opportunity to bid again. In this hand, you have only 4 spades, so you call double. West passes. Partner bids 2 clubs, and East passes. It's your turn to bid. Because of your double, partner knew you had only 4 spades and clearly does not have a spade fit. You interpret partner's bid. As you have seen previously, partner's bid shows 13 to 15 points and 5 or more clubs. Your 4 clubs guarantees a fit, but your 8 points fall far short of game. You pass, and West passes to end the auction. The contract is 2 clubs by North. Now let's look at another deal where the negative double can be used to advantage. This is deal 253. North is the dealer. Here is your hand. As always, you value your hand. You have 8 high card points and 0 long points for a total of 8 points. With only 1 doubleton, your hand is balanced, and you have 2 biddable suits, spades and hearts. North opens the bidding with 1 club, and East overcalls 1 diamond. It's your turn to bid. You know from previous episodes that if East had passed, you would have bid 1 heart. But the overcall allows you to use the negative double to make a better bid. Here is the rule. After partner's 1 club opening is overcalled by 1 diamond, the negative double shows both major suits. This call punishes the opponents by allowing you to bid 2 suits at once. As with all negative doubles, this call is forcing. You have 8 points and biddable spades and hearts, so you call double. West passes. Partner knows you have both spades and hearts and finds a fit. Partner bids 4 spades. East passes. It's your turn to bid. Partner has bid game and you have little more than the minimum for your previous bid, so you pass. And West passes to end the auction. The contract is 4 spades by North. Your use of the negative double has ensured a quick game bid by partner. This episode has covered more of the basics of bridge. It focused on making a call of double after your opponents have overcalled your partner's opening bid of 1 of a minor suit. The negative double is an essential tool in countering these overcalls. In future episodes, I'll cover everything else you'll need to be a confident and successful bridge player. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to this channel. Until next time, this is Jad reminding you that bridge is for everyone.